everybody, let's have a look into the solution for the healthcare service provider. I'm just taking up a case study of a healthcare service provider and trying to see what is the right solutioning for them. We'll be focusing on the solution at a very high level, and so that we will cover the points of whatever is necessary for the client to have a view and see what it is kind of. So I'm just taking into the getting into the case study straight, where we will see what is the scope of it kind of. The scope is 10,000 feet high level, where application maintenance, support and monitoring, and it's a ADMS deal, and also of course it's taking care of the cloud migration part as well. And portfolio, if you analyze, some of the applications are there in the on-premise, and that we need to move into the cloud migration will be there, and the environment is most likely to be a hybrid cloud environment. And here we need to do a consolidation of application. 255 applications are there. We need to see what is the RRR strategy can be there, how many applications we need to retain, how many applications we can retire kind of. So those kind of things are coming in. And legacy application modernization is one more critical area will be there. And it's right now what I understand from the observation of a healthcare client is it's a multi-tower operating model, so a high operating cost because of the different towers handled by different leads. But these are all needs to be validated during the DD phase, because the inputs are at a high level analysis that I'm taking as a case study. There is a possibility because most of the clients are having a multi-tower operating model. So even in the case study front, if we consider that, it's a high operating cost. So how are we going to do it? A better one that we will see in subsequent slide. And right now they are in the waterfall, and because of that probably they may have a long release cycle and high cost, and agile is required, and mature in automated monitoring looks like. But then in that case, how many tools they are using, whether any tools consolidation are required or not, that we need to see. According to this analysis and the high level input, probably we will position this client in the business process maturity model as a standardized, where the things are in place but it is not integrated and moving to the optimized level, so that they are in a mid level of a BPM. That is what we presume for this particular case study is concerned. And of course, I'm just leaving the client name as a blank right now, but healthcare. But if you position some client, we will be in a position to present an exact solution tenant for that client by analyzing their landscape in total. But right now we will keep the client objectives as service excellence in run, driving change and innovation, cost efficiencies, future ready operating model. This is what they want. That is the client objective of going in for this particular RFP or a solution need for them. In the healthcare side, the major pain points which we analyze is patient access and scheduling. That means the patient, wherever they want to, anywhere, anytime access, they may expect it. And again, the healthcare provider is expanding their network of service providers so that they will be in a position to reach the mass down the line. So there they may have a problem how they can do it. And patient engagement, diagnostics and analytics, how are we going to do a transformation to a real-time patient data analysis and proactive healthcare? How now the modern trend is data analytics when the client is likely to be become sick, or when or the next level of diagnosis is required, when they're supposed to go for a next level. So those things are coming in kind of, and we will elaborate. And again, each and every topic is an elaborate topic where we need to go, and only the high level pointers are given over here. And again, the cyber security, since the access is anywhere across, anywhere, anytime, anywhere, and it is going to be a BYOD, build your own devices. So using the devices, own devices, the service providers as well as the clients are getting access. So what are these security needs that needs to be adhered to, and compliances kind of. So that are also the pain points which they are facing it right now. And this is the objective and pain points I put it, and how I am going to meet the client objectives. These are the themes, and as well as you can consider these are all solution tenets which we are positioning for the client. So since they are expecting a service excellence, we are saying that okay, we will provide you the service level commitments in terms of SLAs, and also the timely and secure high quality service delivery. How I'm going to achieve it? It is using a 24/7 global support and integrated command center. Probably right now it is missing, and again we will see that in a double click in the down the levels slides to see what it is. What is the integrated command center? Transformation to waterfall, that is the main thing they are looking for, and we need to position that we are going to do it with our ADMS next generation agile delivery model. This model will seamlessly take them from the waterfall to the next level agile delivery. Competitive cost with innovation and increase in business value, this is what they are expecting, and we are going to do that with the AI ops and zero touch operational platform. Innovation through advisory boards, and we will leverage our industry domain expertise to achieve its operational objective. So user experience management, UX command center with metaverse, AI-led diagnostics will be there, where the client will be feel in the service like telemedicine or online medical treatment. Those kind of advanced features can get incorporated over here, and trained and experienced resources which who will be domain specific and experts in the particular skills. Not only the IT professionals, probably the medical professionals, healthcare professionals will get deployed so that they will understand the domain and they lead the IT team. And we provide them using the solution tenant of a digital service management, digital work and marketplaces, IoT automation, point of sale, and 360-degree customer view, where the Internet of devices kind of how the multiple devices, multiple networks will get connected to the digital media kind of. Then we will have a agile development. All these solution tenets will have a time frame. When are we going to do it? How are we going to do it? And the outcome of it is likely to be ranging from the cost optimization to the improvisation. The reason for me putting XX% in the cost optimization is we have not yet analyzed the application landscape. Where are they, how are they, and what is their present revenue kind of. So possibly we should be in a position to achieve 45% cost optimization, close to 90% zero touch service. That means without anybody the services can get handled, and a faster release cycle due to the agile, that will be double X kind of. That means if it's 70 to 80% you can do it, and innovation is the need of the hour for them. So 2% of the innovation funding we will deploy it, whatever is required for this. And the services growth of your business, that is right now as I mentioned, these pain points are probably not improvising or increasing your growth. By addressing these pain points, your growth will be more. So this is the vision which we are positioning as a solution tenants. As we go forward to the discovery phase, we will do more and give a precise analysis of what are we going to do. This is the high level solution approach. Solution approach, one work stream for healthcare client. Multi-prong approach, we are planning to do it for the minimal business disruption, workforce planning, management and transformation, domain-led solutions, and newer ways of running the delivery. How are we going to do it? So this is the solution approach. Whatever the environment, we need to land it safely. That means the transition needs to be seamless and without any big major business disruptions. So it should happen in a very smooth clean manner. So landing safely, I mean taking over the setup, taking over the transition from the existing incumbent or the existing team is the first and important thing. After doing that, how are we going to run different and how are we going to grow better? That is going to be the next one which we are going to look into it. And part of that run different and grow better, it is going to be the talent management and the differentiated delivery, which is nothing but a domain differentiated delivery. As I was mentioning, the domain specialist will get deployed, and also the product oriented delivery structure. Part structure will be there where the shared services, role based KPIs, measured outcomes will be there. Transformation, that is a future fit, that is the one which is the major expectation. Innovation, modernization, cloud migration, service excellence, these are the things will get fixed over here in the transformation. And how are we going to handle the change management, that is a cultural sensitization, communication, change champions kind of. So this is a very high level which we are giving as a solution approach for this particular healthcare client. And as I was mentioning about a product oriented delivery model, let us go double click of what is POD kind of. uh, each capabilities are enabled with multiple parts are small. Scrum teams for AMS having full accountability. That is one side of the part is going to be the input, which will have incident enhancement maintenance kind of. Another side is going to be a reliable system. The outputs are like proactively avoid incidents, quickly delivered enhancements, automated resolutions or task executions, and continual improvements. Okay, this will have a better managed services support using this part, and it is a flexible part as well, core part, which will have a elimination of 20% incidents and productivity increase of 15%, and number of releases is going to go up kind of. This is a double click of what is the delivery which we talked about